Hi, Deanna. Hi, Deanna. I'm going to read your spelling words to you and then post this link so that you can take your spelling test. If I go too fast, you can always just pause the video. Since I'm not there, I don't know how fast you're going to be able to write them. Okay? Number 1 is watch. I watch the TV in my house. Watch. 2 is catch. I catch the ball in my glove. Catch. Number 3, stitch. I stitch my pants back together. Stitch. 4, latch. I latch the door to keep it safe and steady. Latch. Next one, patch. We put a patch on our wall to cover the hole. Patch. Next one, fetch. I threw the ball for my dog to fetch it. Fetch. Next one is sketch. I sketch a drawing of my mom, my dad, and my family. Sketch. Next one is hatch. The bird was able to hatch from its egg. Hatch. Next one is match. I lit a match to light the candle. Match. And last one is stretch. I stretch because I am stiff to loosen my muscles. Stretch. I hope this was helpful, and I hope next week, if you want some spelling words, that you let me know and we can do this again. Hope you're well. Miss you. Bye.